We live in a system powered by fire. At the heart of it all burns a star we call the Sun, but how well do we really know it? After decades of observing from afar, NASA did the unthinkable. It sent a spacecraft to touch the Sun. Not just study it, but fly straight into its atmosphere. Why would we take such a risk? And what secrets might it reveal? Let's journey to the heart of our solar system and uncover what lies beneath the surface of the Sun. Our solar system is a vast neighborhood, 8 official planets, countless moons, asteroids, and icy objects, all orbiting one star. That star, our Sun, makes up 99.8% of the solar system's total mass. Everything else, just crumbs in its gravitational grip. Without the Sun's heat and light, Earth would be a frozen, lifeless rock. So understanding the Sun means understanding how everything began and how everything might end. The Sun is a nuclear furnace, fusing 600 million tons of hydrogen into helium every second. That energy takes 8 minutes to reach Earth as light, but its influence spans billions of kilometers. It drives our weather, shapes our magnetic field, and powers life, but it can also be dangerous. Solar storms can knock out satellites, cripple power grids, and endanger astronauts in space. That's why understanding the Sun's behavior isn't just science, it's survival.
Humans have been watching the Sun for thousands of years, worshipping it, fearing it, depending on it. The first detailed observations came from ground-based telescopes in the 1600s. Galileo was among the first to spot sunspots, signs that our star wasn't perfect or still. Over the centuries, we've launched dozens of solar missions. Skylab, SOHO, Stereo Solar Dynamics Observatory, each brought us closer to understanding this fiery giant, but still from a safe distance. But one question haunted scientists. What if we could go inside the Sun? Most thought it was impossible. The Sun's corona reaches millions of degrees. Radiation, heat, plasma storms. It's a hellscape. Even machines weren't meant to survive. Then came the idea. A heat-shielded spacecraft. Sleek, lightweight, fast. The mission? Fly into the Sun's outer atmosphere. That's the Parker Solar Probe. Launched by NASA in 2018, it's now hurtling through the corona at over 700,000 kilometers per hour, the fastest object humans have ever built. Its heat shield withstands 1,400 degrees Celsius, while instruments behind it measure the unfiltered solar wind and magnetic chaos. Already, Parker has shattered expectations. It discovered magnetic switchbacks, wild zigzagging waves in the solar wind. It entered the corona for the first time in 2021, a historic moment humanity had only dreamed of. And we're only getting started. The probe will make 26 total passes, flying closer with each orbit, mapping magnetic fields and tracing solar wind to its source. But why is this important? Because the Sun still hides its biggest mystery. Why is its outer atmosphere, the corona, hotter than the surface? It's one of astrophysics' strangest puzzles. Parker may finally give us the answer. This mission isn't just about curiosity, it's about preparing for the future. As we build moon bases, send humans to Mars, and explore deep space, we'll be leaving Earth's magnetic shield behind. Understanding solar storms and predicting them accurately will be mission critical for astronauts and our technology. The more we know about the Sun, the more safely we can travel through space.
We've stared at the Sun for thousands of years, but for the first time, we're flying into its heart, and there's still so much to uncover. If you want to stay on board with humanity's most daring mission, subscribe to Space Lens and join us on the next orbit.